back to Cooking with Today, I want to share with you some very delicious crispy tacos of chorizo con papas that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Ingredients. I have black pepper, Himalaya salt, or the salt you have at home, bell peppers, red, yellow, and green, half an onion, lettuce, tortillas, potatoes pre-cooked, Monterrey Jack cheese, of course the star, el chorizo, sour cream, cotija cheese, salsa del King Taco. You already have this delicious King Taco red salsa on my channel. If you want to try the red salsa, it comes out amazing, or the green. You decide. It's King Taco red salsa and green salsa, but I am going to use the King Taco red salsa for these delicious and crispy tacos made at home. So let's get started. Well, here I am ready to start taking the casing of the chorizo. Look at this. When you buy the Mexican chorizo, it comes in a case just like that. The little skin right on the outer side of the chorizo. I'm going to take it carefully off, slowly. And this is the part you're not going to use from that chorizo. Look at this. It's very easy to remove, but yet this chorizo comes out amazing every time, especially in these delicious and crispy tacos. Okay, this is ready. I'm gonna put it aside, and I want to continue with my peppers. I'm gonna start slicing the peppers and then cutting them in very small little pieces, just like that. This is a jalapeno. I'm going to leave the seeds of the jalapeno so that it's a little spicy, but you know something? The jalapeno usually doesn't come out that spicy. So here I'm just gonna go ahead, dice it very small and very tiny little pieces, and then I'm gonna put it aside and I'm gonna continue slicing the onion. I'm using half an onion. All this is going to this plate, and now I am ready. My stove, the pan I have on the stove is nice and hot, and I'm ready to start cooking the chorizo. I'm gonna be pulling it apart, but I'm gonna let it cook in medium-low heat. Here I have the cooked potatoes, which I'm going to start smashing and creaming. Just like that. You want to make sure that when you cook your potatoes, you add 1 tablespoon of salt. So when you take the skin off, the potatoes have already absorbed the salt that you added on the water. Well, here it's really nice and smashed like a smashed potato. And now to this, while the chorizo is cooking in medium-low heat, I am going to add the cheese, Monterrey Jack cheese. And I'm only adding half a cup. I'm going to add it to this, and I'm going to incorporate everything completely so that all the potato is completely combined with the cheese. Look at this. These tacos come out so delicious and crispy that I know you guys are going to love these crispy tacos. Okay, let me put it aside. Let's go see how the chorizo is cooking. It's releasing all the oils. Remember, I didn't add any oils to the pan. I didn't even add water. And now I'm just cooking in medium-low heat slowly. When it starts releasing the aroma of the chorizo and your home is really penetrated with this delicious smell, then you add all the chilies, all the mixture. You add it in here. You add your black pepper. You add your salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. And once you add it, just incorporate everything completely. It's gonna take about 3 to 5 minutes. When it starts getting nice and brown, nice and crispy, and you could really smell the chorizo. My home is penetrated with this delicious smell. There's nothing like the smell of chorizo cooking in medium-low heat. Well, now this is getting nice and crispy, and it really doesn't take too long when you start seeing the chorizo getting really crispy. And look at this. This chorizo doesn't have too much fat, and that's the best part. Well, here, this is now completely done. I am ready to combine it with the potato and the cheese. I'm gonna add everything in here. I'm gonna incorporate it completely. And these tacos are about to be made. Look at this. I'm just gonna incorporate all the chorizo, all those delicious flavors. Combine. The potato is going to absorb all the chorizo flavor. Once you have it like this, of course, you need to try it to see if it's the salt is perfect. Well, I am ready to start slicing the lettuce. I'm going to slice it very thinly because this is what I'm going to put inside my crispy taco. I'm going to go ahead, put it in a plate, and reserve it. On my stove, I have a skillet where I'm going to start adding my tortillas, and I'm going to start cooking them. Remember, you want to cook the tortillas so it's nice and flexible to add the filling inside of them. Well, of course, I'm going to continue warming up all my tortillas, and then I'll see you when I'm done. I am done here, and the tortilla is nice and warm and flexible. And now I am ready to start adding the delicious stuffing inside. Look at this. This filling comes out really delicious, and I know that once you guys make it at home, you guys are going to continue having this delicious crispy taco of papa con chorizos. It doesn't have to be Tuesday to enjoy this delicious crispy taco. Any day of the week is a perfect day for tacos. Okay, these are done. And now I'm ready. On the stove, I have a pan with very hot oil. And now I'm ready to start adding the tacos. You know something? Before you add your tacos, make sure that the oil is really nice and hot. You don't want to add the tacos when the oil is still warm or still cold, because then the taco is going to absorb all the extra oils, and those are oils that we do not need. You're only gonna flip them twice to prevent the filling to come out. It takes about 1 minute to a minute and a half in order for them to be nice and crispy. In a plate, I have some paper napkins where I'm gonna start putting my tacos one by one, so all the excessive oil stays on the napkin. And I'm gonna continue making the rest of the tacos, and I'll show you when I am done with these delicious and crispy tacos. Look at this. We enjoy these tacos here at home because there's nothing like eating tacos made at home. And now I am done, and I am ready to start filling with the lettuce, sour cream, King Taco red salsa, and of course, cotija cheese. Look at this. They look delicious. My home smells amazing, and I just cannot wait to enjoy these delicious crispy tacos. My friends, give it a try. Make them at home. I am sure you are going to enjoy these delicious tacos. Look at the filling. Be generous with your filling, and of course, be generous with the toppings. And your queso cotija, just perfection in these delicious crispy tacos. Well, here I am almost done getting ready these tacos, and I can't wait for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. with this delicious and crispy taco made of chorizo and papas. You know something? This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. It looks amazing. I can't wait to taste it. Excuse me. Definitely, this is the best part, tasting my tacos. Just amazing. And with the delicious king taco salsa, they came out perfect. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.